Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Torres and I'm going to show you my approach for solving the Tic Tac Toe project. So here we have all the functions implemented: the action function, the result function, the winner function, and the terminal function. Here we made a function that checks for all the possible winning methods horizontally, vertically, diagonally, and inverse diagonal, and if there are any non-spaces when we checked all of these possible winning methods, then it's not a fully winning board, so we return false or true. And the utility one and the min-max function that has all the implementation of the artificial intelligence. So we're going to run it. Sorry, this one. So we are going to run it, see how it goes. So here we have the game. We are going to play as X, and we're going to start here. Here we won. And if we play as O's, for example, X win. And here we have a tie. So that's it.